Today we are working on PowerPoint apply number 3. In this lesson we're going to be using files from a couple of different presentations. So the one that you need to have open up first is P03 apply A. We're going to use apply B in a little bit, but go ahead and save this with your initials at the end of it where you normally save everything. Step 2 says move to slide 4. So go down here to slide 4, click on that slide, and then choose to reuse slides from another presentation. A couple of different things we can do. There's a button right here that says reuse slides. You could also click the down arrow and down here select reuse slides. Either one will work, just showing you a couple of different ways to do things. When you do that, it opens up and you've got some content that's already there. You might scroll and you might find where the one you're looking for. Matter of fact, I see it right there, but I want us to click browse. I want to show you a way that you can browse to find it. When you click to browse, go to wherever your PowerPoint folder is, wherever your data files are, and select P03 apply B. So click on that and then click choose content. When you do, you're going to have these two slides. You should be on slide 4 over here. If you'll click insert slide and then insert slide, you'll now go up here to the design tab, and this is our current theme. They always have it right here. So click there and make it fit with the other theme that we currently have. You now can look at this picture and see that it overlaps the title area up here. Let's close this reuse slides. Let's close these design ideas. You don't really need those. So you see how this overlaps? So in step 3 it says note that the picture overlaps the title area. Reapply the to content layout. So go back here to the home tab. Right here where it says layout, click the down arrow, and we're going to click on to content again, and you see that it moved this picture down so it no longer overlaps. So make sure that you do that. Step 4 says add the following note to slide 5. So we're on slide 5 still. If you will click view and then click notes page, we're going to click here to add text, and we're going to type compare surgery cost to the cost of glasses or contacts, and then go down to slide 6, and we're going to, and down here it tells you in the left hand corner which slide you're on. So in slide 6, and all I did was I scrolled down over here on the right to get to slide 6. Make sure potential patients know that the surgery is painless. And then switch back to normal view. When you're in normal view, there's a button down here on the bottom on the status bar. You can click that and you can see any slide that you've put notes on. And so when you go to slide 5, you see that you have this note, slide 6, and then when you click on the other slides, there are none. I could have, when I added notes the way I did by clicking on the notes page, I could have just clicked this button down here, clicked down here and typed it, showing you different ways to do things. Step 5, we are adding the following footers to all slides except the title slide. So click Insert, go to Header and Footer. Make sure, and up here you see there's two different buttons, Notes and Handout and Slide. We want to make sure you're on the slide. We want to select date and time, so check that box. Slide number, check that box. And click in the footer box right here, and we're going to type Clear Vision in a Day. And we don't want to on the title slide, so we're going to check this box and then click Apply to All. And then when you do that, when you go back to the first slide, that information is not there, but if you click at each slide, you see there's a page number up here, you have your Clear Vision in a Day in the footer, and you see the current date over here. So that should be on every slide except the title slide. Step 6 says to change the slide size to standard 4x3 and ensure fit. So click the Design tab, and over here on the right you see slide size, so click that down arrow, change it to standard 4x3, check the box that says ensure fit, and it will resize everything like you need to. Step 7, check the spelling. So make sure you're at the beginning of your slideshow, click Review, Spelling and Grammar. Mine's complete. Everything is spelled correctly. And then step 8 says with your teacher's permission print it, but my class we do not print it. So go ahead and close the presentation, saving your changes, and exit PowerPoint and submit to be graded. And this completes lesson 3.